Hello friends, welcome back. I will show you today how to make these cute little finger puppets. They're little octopuses, and they're very easy to do, and you can have fun. Put it on your desk. I keep them in my desk, or just give it away, and it's a gift. It's a cute little gift. So I'll show you how to make this. For this project, I will use a orange yarn. This one, I believe I got it from Walmart. I think it was one of those peach and cream or something, the brand. The other ones, this one I use the cotton 24/7 from Line brand. But I thought I'll give it a try with this one. I'll show you how I make them. Also, I use this cute little plastic eyes that I found from Amazon. I use 2.5 millimeter crochet hook and my scissors. So I will make 6 single stitches in a magic ring. Let's dig in and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put my yarn on the other side, and there I will pull the string here, and I will connect this to connect it with a slip stitch. We will pull this string out of the way because I don't want that in my way. And I will now increase in 1 stitch. I'm going to make 2 single crochet. So all the way around I will increase. Okay, and now for the 3rd round, I will do a chain, and then I will increase every 2 stitches. Okay, so I will do 1 and 2, and then I will increase 1, 2 stitches in 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna do every 2. 1 on its own, 1 on its own, and then increase. Okay, all the way around. Okay, for the 4th, and we are gonna repeat these until row 10. So we're gonna do 1 single crochet all around in each stitch. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna repeat the same thing 6 more times, just single crochet around. Okay, so this is how it looks like after having after done 6 more of the single crochet around. Look, it's like the head of our little octopus is shaping there. And now it's a good time to attach our little eye. So you just pick your best. I think this one maybe on the back, and I will just attach it kind of toward the middle, just to make it easier at this stage before I add the tentacles. It's gonna be harder then. And I will just attach this little plastic thingy to connect. And if you want, you can cut this with pliers or something, but it's not really that sharp. I mean, if you're gonna give it to kids or something, you probably want to cut it and sand it so that it won't hurt their little finger. Excuse my little finger here too. So yeah, this is the octopus head. Now we are going to work on the tentacles. For that, I will make 20 Let's do 24, or we can do 25, depend how long you want this to be. You can make it shorter or longer, however you want. And for this case, I will just use one yarn. You could use 2 yarns like I did in this case. I will have a link of a pattern that I made for these using 2 colors yarn. It'll just be a little more tricky. It's not difficult, it's just a little tricky. So for this video, I'll just show you with 1 yarn, kind of like how I did this one, to make it faster. But check out the link, I'll put it in there. So I will make 24. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so 24, chain 24. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come back to here, okay, with half double crochet. So this is how you do half double crochet. Is I pretend that you're gonna do a double crochet, and then you insert your hook, pull it through there, and now you're gonna grab your yarn and pull through all of the 3 little loops you got there. Let me do this again, something got caught in the middle. Do it again, and pull through all of them. See there? And we're gonna do it again. In each stitch, we will do half double crochet. Okay? In each of them. So the longer your tentacles, the longer it's gonna take you. Okay, so we're gonna come all the way here, and then we're gonna connect it in here with a slip stitch. I'll show you. Okay, now I'm done with that one tentacle. You see how this type of stitch, it makes the curly effect there. So all right, I will now connect with the second, with the did I cut that? Okay, so here's where I started, and I'm gonna connect it in here, right, with a slip stitch. And I will do the same thing now all around, making sure that I have 8 tentacles. If you miss one in here, if you think that you're running short, you're gonna kind of skip a little, and instead of, for example, you connect here, you can connect here, and it's gonna be okay. So make sure that you have 8 of these, same thing, 24, string 24, and then come back all the way here, connect to the head with a slip stitch. I will be back when this is done with the 8 tentacles. And now I reached the last tentacle. So we have 8 tentacles, and this is how it looks inside. Look at that, there's like no excess because it was continued. You didn't have to cut the yarn at all. So it's like continue, no leaving excesses of yarns around. You know how that can be kind of painful to hide them and all. So here, my last tentacle, I'm just gonna connect here with a slip stitch. Oops. I'll be honest, with this yarn, type of yarn, oops, I did not got that on camera. Let me do it again. So here I will connect to this last piece. So this yarn was a little bit tough to work with. This is, like I said, it's one of the, it's like a cheap $1 or something. I found at Walmart. I like that Lion brand a lot better than this, but it's okay. So anyways, we just have that one to hide, and here we go. We're done with our project. Now we have our little octopus finger puppet. So check out the link. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? If you like this, would you make one? Let me know what you think, and subscribe That will tell me that you want to see more videos like this, so I can make more. Alright, well, I wish you a very beautiful day. See you later. Goodbye.